Yo, guys, we're making a
Alright,
nuclear
welcome back, guys.
bomb.
So my friend and I are gonna be recording, you know. Oh shoot, I can't even.
Alright, guys,
open it.
today we're
Okay,
making a
so-
nuclear bomb.
Yeah, there we go,
in
nuclear
Guardians
bomb.
Frontline, so...
Alright, so we're gonna fill it up. Then what we have to do is both of us hit it, and then our game should crash. But then we'll actually come back,
Eventually.
and so we're gonna waste all our gems.
Don't waste all of them. That'll fill up the
Our
whole
game
room.
should crash, and then we should see an explosion. He plays on the Quest there. I play on the Quest too. And last time we did it, my game loaded faster for some reason.
Well, my whole game just
Which
froze
is
before
very
we even
odd.
exploded them. I think I overloaded it with data. I don't know. These bombs
Oh, no,
are
I
like
still have
data deleters when
16,000.
you hit them. Oh, okay. How many do you want to put?
As much as we can.
Okay, well
And
that's
after
gonna
this,
take
I actually have to get off.
forever. That's gonna take forever.
Bro, there's so many bombs,
This is cursed.
guys.
How many are we gonna? Oh my god. Keep placing them.
Do not place a proximity mine. This is like
I
game
think
over.
that's what broke my game last time.
Yeah, that's what happened. You walked over it, and then your whole
Oh,
game.
it exploded everything for me, but not for you, huh?
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Alright, shake hands, shake hands. It was
Wait a
nice
second.
knowing you, partner.
What do you think? What do you think? Don't do it yet. I'm gonna put a proximity mine, then me and you are gonna walk over.
Bro, are you okay? Alright, he's... he's gone. He's gone from life support. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. I shot it! I shot it, and my whole game just froze. My whole game just froze to death. Bro. Oh my god. Dudes. What have we done? I wonder if it's gonna load. Uh-oh. Oh god. Bro, what the frick are these? No. Hold up, guys. I don't know how to take an image. Bro. Controller, stop having bad tracking. Alright. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh. Guys. Guys. We did it. We did it, guys. It worked. It worked. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video there. That was making a nuclear bomb in Guardians Frontline. Oh my god.